would love to go, for example, clubbing with my daughter. You know, I would love to be in the same club as my daughter. I think it's really cool. She thinks it's
How is it
uncool.
cool? From what angle is it cool?
It's so cool that we can go and party
It's
together.
cool for you, like, oh, I'm clubbing with my daughter. It's not cool for me to say, oh, I'm clubbing with my mother.
Ashika, that's rude. That's really rude. Firstly, I'm a really cool mom and I do go clubbing. So there are chances that I will go clubbing and you will
Mama
bump into
raving
me.
in the club.
Okay, this is not doing much for my image out here, Alia, that you're speaking about your mother in this manner. I mean, at the end of the day, I have a life. I go out. I have friends. I go clubbing. So I have my space.
Alright.
You're a part of my world. I'm a part of your world. If our worlds were to collide at some point and I were to be in a discotheque dancing and you happen to be in the same
trust
discotheque
me, we
dancing, and why would we not?
I'm not gonna go to old people places.
Excuse me, there's just one place which is meant for younger people and everything else is amalgamation of, you know, mixed bag of peanuts. I mean, there are a lot of people out there.
Yeah, it's awkward. Like, I would just...
Achha, what is awkward about me being there? What would
Firstly,
offend
you're
you?
very, very embarrassing topic.
Like what?
Like, you'll just be like, I'll be talking to my friends and if we're at the same restaurant, you'll just be like laughing and screaming and doing whatever in the corner. I'll just be like, okay? Or...
What do you mean laughing and screaming? I mean,
You don't talk, you scream. Okay, and she will be screaming and everyone's like, dude, why is she screaming? But she's like, no, I'm talking
who
normally.
says dude she's screaming?
I
Your
do.
friends ever say dude she's screaming?
My friends are very polite.
No, your friends adore me. And by the way, Alia, I have a huge social network. You know, if I was screaming at the top of my voice, people would not be sitting around me. People would be sitting in a distance because they can hear me. I mean, please.
I've seen people go with an extreme.
Firstly, that's really mean. She's just taking my case purposely. She's just on my case. She feels it's really cool to attack mom and say mean things about mom, whether they're correct, whether they're incorrect. Yes, sometimes I get excited. Sometimes I get excited. Sometimes I get into my laughing fits. Sometimes I get really excited and I'll say something maybe a bit louder or exclaim something. But in general, I have conversations.
So
And-
there was this one time where she was at Indigo and she was fighting with someone to pay the bill. She ran around the restaurant with the bill. You ran around the restaurant with the
Okay,
bill.
well, I wanted to pay and the other person would not let me pay and I wanted to pay, so I grabbed it and that person jumped on me, so I took the bill and I ran for my life, you know, with the bill. I thought I'd run to the counter, but the person chased me down. So yes, we were running around the entire restaurant. I had the bill in my hand. So yeah, I mean, those are fun moments. I mean, she makes it seem like it's an everyday thing. It's not an everyday thing. Yes, I'm an excitable person. Yes, I'm a very gregarious person.
What if she's having a moment when I'm there with my friends?
Big deal. It's entertaining. I mean,
no,
your
it's
mother's...
embarrassing.
It was fun, okay? It was a fun moment. We were laughing our heads off. Both of us were having a really good time. We both were in peals of laughter, giggling, running. Everybody in the restaurant was laughing, looking at us.
Laughing at you.
No, they were laughing with us.
You just
not
are
at
laughing
us.
looking at us. So you just no change.
No, they were laughing, looking at what we were doing, but they were laughing
at you.
They
were laughing at
They
you.
were
They were laughing
smiling.
at you. Rest my case.
You don't rest your case. You just take my case. That's
Yeah.
what you do perpetually. It's like I have to
feel
go
that I
through
put
this
it
for the
to
next 3 years till she actually gets out of her
Mama,
teens.
you have
I'm
to
going to be
take this for the
subjected
next
to
6
this.
months. I'm going to be gone to university after that.
Darling, you still be there with the Skype and you're calling me and you
Yeah,
know.
but that's easy. I don't have to walk and slam doors where you can slender. All I have to do is shut my laptop and
It's the
I'll give
same
it
thing.
over.